In this lesson, we'll examine tool body and symmetry, two other techniques that take advantage of multiple bodies. Tool body simply refers to the idea of incorporating an external body into the design of your part. It might be a specialized, commonly used feature that can be easily replicated by adding or subtracting geometry from your part. Take this part for instance. Suppose this geometry represents a set of cuts that are commonly used in my designs. Of course, here you're seeing the negative space of the feature, where material is to be removed. Rather than create these cuts each time I need them, I simply design this part as a tool that I can apply to any other part. This is how it's done. I'll begin with a plate. To conclude this section on multibody techniques, I'll discuss the use of symmetry. The concept is not new. You use symmetry to speed up your designs all the time. If you notice the need for a symmetric sketch, you create half of it and use the mirror tool to generate the rest. If you have a feature that repeats in a circular arrangement, you use a circular pattern to save time. These same ideas often used with sketches and features can also be applied to solid bodies. You actually saw an example of this just a few moments ago when I created a linear pattern of the tool body. To complete this design, I'll simply use a mirror feature to create the other half of this plate. The mirror face will be this one here. Instead of selecting a feature to be mirrored, I'll expand the body section and select the entire body. I'll click OK and the mirror is complete.